Hello Math learners! Welcome again sa ating YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. This is the part 6 of 2006 Grade 3 MTOEF Reviewer Elimination Rounds. Nagtapos tayo nung nakaraan sa problem number 25, so dito na tayo sa problem number 26. There are 1,896 students in grade 5. Of these, 949 are boys. How many are girls? So the solution is subtraction. Subtract 1,896 minus 949. So para magawa ito following the borrowing process, paano ba gagawin yung borrowing process? So makikita natin sa screen 1,896 minus 949. So doon muna tayo sa ones. Yung 6 minus 9, it cannot be, kaya baborrow tayo sa 9. So yung 6 magiging 16, yung 9 magiging 8. 8 minus 4, pwede na. So next hundreds digit. Yung 8 minus 9 cannot be, kaya magbaborrow tayo sa thousands. Yung 8 magiging 18 at yung 1 magiging 0. So subtract na tayo. Dito tayo sa ones digit. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. 18 minus 9 is 9. Tapos yung 0 wala na yan. So the final answer is 947. Para complete answer, 947 girls. This is the final answer. So ang ginawa lang natin guys, subtraction. Next problem please, problem number 27. Problem number 27, Jay has 3 20 peso bills, 4 50 peso bills, 7 5 peso coins, and 8 10 peso coins. How much money has he? So, ang una natin gagawin guys, kamath learners, is multiply muna, tapos tsaka natin sila i-add. So, multiply natin, sabi dun sa problem, J has 3 20 peso bills. So, 3 times 20 equals 60. Next is 4 50 peso bills. So, 4 times 50 is 200. Next is 7 5 peso coins. So, 7 times 5 is 35. And last, 8 10 peso coins. So 8 times 10 equals 80. So i-add natin sila, ang sagot 375. Therefore, J has 375 pesos in all, or simply 375 pesos. Next problem please, problem number 28. What is the largest 4-digit number with no digits alike? So meron tayong clue. Clue number 1, ito ay 4 digits. It means meron itong ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands place value. Okay? So, nakikita po natin sa screen na meron tayong 4 digits, 4 blank. Okay? Clue number 2, ang tanong kasi is what is the largest 4-digit number with no digits alike? So, yung kukunin natin dyan is largest daw. So, dapat ang nasa thousands place value natin ang pinakamalaking digit from 0 to 9. So, ano ang pinaka-largest doon? Yun ay number 9. Therefore, dapat number 9 ang nasa thousands na placed value. Okay? Next is, third clue natin, no digits alike daw, sabi sa problem. Okay, ibig sabihin, dapat descending order. Pagkatapos ng 9 is, ang susunod na pinakamalaki is 8, next is 7, next is 6. Therefore, the final answer is 9,876. So, nakuha natin ito guys kasi alam natin yung mga clue. Tinignan natin ulit yung problem and then nakakuha tayo ng mga clue na based sa problem. Okay? So, depende talaga dun sa nakalagay ng clues dun sa problem natin. So, the final answer is 9,876 is the largest 4-digit number with no digits alike. Next problem please, problem number 29. Problem number 29, what is the quantity of 5 times 9 minus the quantity of 36 divided by 12 plus 13? So guys, ang gagawin natin using PEMDAS rule, meron tayong video tungkol dyan. You can also watch this video mamaya. Pero patapusin mo muna tong video na to. So using PEMDAS rule, unahin natin yung nasa parenthesis. Makikita natin, unahin natin yung 5 times 9 at 36 divided by 12 kasi yun yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Huwag muna nating i-minus at i-add kasi saka na lang yan. So 5 times 9 is 45 and 36 divided by 12 is 3. So, nakikita natin sa baba, nilagay natin nasa loob ng parenthesis yung 45 minus 3 plus 13. So, next is, pwede na natin alisin yung parenthesis. So, next is 45 minus 3 muna. 45 minus 3 is 42. Tapos bring down natin yung 13 plus 13. Next, 42 plus 13 equals 55. So the final answer is 55. Next problem please, last but not the least. Problem number 30. Write 7 times 10 to the 4th power plus 5 times 10 cubed plus 7 times 10 squared plus 4 as one number. So meron tayong technique dyan guys. Just copy the number and add zeros. Note, ang exponent niya indicates kung ilang zero yung ating ilalagay, okay? So, for example, sa 7 times 10 to the 4th power, ibig sabihin, yung 7, ikakopy muna natin. Tapos, yung 4 na exponent niya, yun yung 4 zeros. So, 7, sinundan ng 4 na 0. Next is 5 times 10 cubed. Ibig sabihin, ikakopy natin yung 5. And then, ilan yung zeros na i-add natin? Cube. Ibig sabihin, 3 0. Next is 7 times 10 squared equals 700. Next is yung 4, 4 pa din. Okay, walang 0. So, i-add natin sila. So, the final answer is 75,704. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panonood ng video na ito. Kung nakatulong sa iyo, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Learn Math PH. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel because in our channel, you will find and learn a simple and clear explanation to math lessons and ideas. And also, papaano mo ma-improve ang iyong problem-solving skills, lalo na dun sa ating mga MTOEF reviewers. Kung meron kang mga gustong i-request na MTOEF reviewers, please comment down below. O kaya kung meron kang gustong i-tackle sa susunod nating mga videos na gusto mong topic or may question ka tungkol sa math, please comment down below. Okay? Okay, so pakiabangan mo ang part 7 out of 7 ng ating grade 3 2006 MTOEF Reviewer Elimination Rounds. Huwag mong kalilimutan ang ating outro message. Every problem, there is and there's always has a solution. So love lots, keep smiling and keep learning. See you in our next video. Thank you.